Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark we are making some colorful button trays, perfect for a kid's room or a funky office. Now don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it, and let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Are you ready? Let's make some colorful button trays. Don't skip this step. This will keep the buttons in place when you pour the resin. I use a small butane torch to pop bubbles, but you could also use a hairdryer if you're careful, or a long arm lighter. Make sure to cover your resin projects to keep them free of dirt and dust and let them cure overnight. I'm going to leave a link in the description to everything I used for this video. Thumbs up if you like this project, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I will see you next week. Bye.